Hello community, I hope you are doing good. In this discussion we will see how to run multiple Odoo versions in a same machine, and in case you missed previous discussion about how to generate a PDF report, the beautiful PDF report using the bootstrap classes, please check, link is given in the description. And if you want to learn more about Odoo, please check this WebLearns channel. Under the WebLearns channel you can see the playlist, you can see Odoo development, and here you can see different playlist available with the real task cases. And in case you need any support related Odoo, you can visit the about page. You can send your query to this email address. Source code also available in the GitHub. Make sure you can revise that same code. We also have a different social media pages. Make sure you can follow to get the latest notification. In case you want to support this channel using many ways, buy me coffee, PayPal, or using this join button. So let's back to our main topic, like how you can run multiple instances in a one machine for the development purpose. Currently, as of you know, like we are using Windows 10 operating system and we already installed version 15, right, community version. Now let's download the lower version 14. We are trying to configure the same version 14 in same operating system. All right, so for that you have to visit the GitHub link, this one. You have to copy this code, right, and you have to paste in the terminal. So I already done this part, right, using clone, and we have to paste here this link. So it will take us some time, so I just downloaded already. And another thing is, like, we have to use Python 3.6 on the higher version, right? So right now in our current system we have a Python 3.10, the latest version, right? Not the latest version but 3.10, right? So here we will try to also install this Python version. So for that I already also downloaded. Don't worry about these two links, already you can check in the description. So here I will try to, you can see this one, the 3.6.8, right? I will try to install this one. So we have to wait for a few seconds. So download is completed. So let me go to the terminal, and here you can see, let me go to here in the front end side to show you. You can see Odoo project, and I already cloned the Odoo version 14. You can see here, right? Same like Odoo version 15. So now I will try to run this version 14 as well as version 15, but before that we don't have any setup for this version 14, right? So right now first we will do this one, and then after we are continue to run two parallel Odoo version in a one system. Now we are trying to create a virtual environment. First you can see here the by default is a 3.6.8, right? Now I will try to let's say create a one virtual environment. So you can see here we have Odoo 15 env, right? And now I will try to create new virtual environment. So let's say Python, then after -m venv Odoo 14 env, and press enter. Alright, so if you see here, it will automatically create this directory, right? And now I will try to activate this environment variable. So for that, like, let me go to here inside this directory. let's say source activated, sorry, activate. So here it means the virtual environment package is not installed yet, right? So first thing is we have to install anyhow. All right, so let me check here the version. The Python version is this one, Python source. So here the first thing is we can try to install the pip command. So for that, like python -m, I already installed the file, right? All right, so let's say dir. Now let's say python get pip, and it will automatically install the pip version. And now I will try to install the virtual environment. So for that, python, sorry, -m pip install virtual env. Let me remove this directory, right? Let me regenerate the fresh environment. Now let's -m vnv odoo 14 env. Script activate, and now you can see, right, this one. Now I will try to add here, let's say, sorry, python. You can see it's 3.6.8. so python -m pip install will. This package is mandatory, right? So let me first upgrade this pip command. All right, and I will also try to upgrade the wheel. All right, so it says like this, right? So what we have to do is we have to copy this one, all right, so everything is available right here. And let me do one more time wheel. So next time, okay, everything is up and running now. Odoo projects, Odoo 14, and I will try to install all the packages from requirement.txt file. Sorry, my bad. Alright, so we have this error, right, for this Python stdm. So let me copy this one. Let me go to here and I will find out that package. So I will try to remove this one. Alright, and let me re-execute the same file, sorry, same command. Alright, so you can see here one more package is so green lat. Alright, so here what I will do is I will try to create here this so let me cut this one, paste here. I'm going to here, copy, and I will try to cut from here, paste here, save this text file and re-execute the same command. Alright, so everything is up and running, there is no any error. Right now I will try to let's say manually run this this Odoo version. So before that, like, I will try to remove this, stop the Odoo version 15 service, Odoo dash bin add-ons Odoo add-ons minus r Odoo minus w123. So let me confirm these two commands from here. You can see these two, right? This is Postgres user and this Postgres password, the user password, right? So in case it will having this pop-up, you can tick in these two checkbox and allow access. Now you can see it will having some error like module not found error, std dump, right? So now we have to manually install those packages. So this one, let's say python -n install, sorry, pip install. Alright, it's installed, and now let me re-execute the command. Now I will try to like web database manager. Alright, so here I will try to create a simple user. So for that, you can see here it's having this new master password, right? So this one you can save under maybe in your this txt file, that is fine. or anywhere. Right now I will paste here in this requirement.txt file Odoo version 14 admin and password is this one, and demo data yes. By default you can see it's activated 8.8069. Alright, so there is a error, so we can go to here. So external ID not found, this one, right? So don't worry, and I will try to add here. Let me add here Odoo version 14, right? Now I will add one more, Odoo training version 14, and here I will try to add this Odoo dash bin minus r Odoo minus w1234 add-ons path add-ons Odoo add-ons and add-ons at the moment, and we are using here. So you can see there is only one interpreter is available, Python 3.10, right? Not the 3.6. So I will try to save here. I'm going to here in the project settings, Python interpreter, add one more existing one, and you can see click to OK. Here let me reopen this one, and you can see 3.6, right? Okay, you can also cut this one and paste here at the end. Close. Let me stop the process from terminal, task manager, and the task. Now I will try to run from PyCharm. You can see by default the port is open, and I will try to refresh the page. Let's say admin, password is A. Now I will try to install this cells module. So you can see right now the version 14 is available here, right? Now I will try to add two parallel Odoo version here. So for that, so you have to understand is Odoo, the specific any of the version, they are active in a specific port number, right? And using that port number, that specific Odoo service automatically up and running. And if you are using any other port number, it won't be work, right? So same here, we have to also provide a different port number to different versions, right? So here I am trying to also add a default port number for this version 14. So for that, XML RPC port 8080. Now I will try to stop this service, reactivate, and now you can see it's 8080. And if I will refresh the screen, you can see by default it's a 8069, right? So I will try to change 8080 and it will working fine. You can see. Now I will try to also add version 15. Okay, so here simple, I will select version 15. Let me also start this one. Now I will try to add here 8069 web. You can see admin. So you can see this is version 14, right? And this is version 15. Alright, so why I installed lower version here, this is surprise at the moment. Soon you will understood why I already installed version 14. Alright, plus you can see here the port number is 8069 for version 15, and here you can see 8080 for version 14. You cannot use same port number for both version. It will throws one, it will throws the exception while you run the odoo.bin file to active the Odoo service. During that time, if the port number is already activated, then Odoo will reject to run the Odoo service. Alright, so I hope you understood this multi concept, and if you have any doubt related this one, please comment below, and see you in next session.